Page 110 and 111 is the key of D minor. In this unit, we're going to study D minor. I have already been encouraging you to do D minor. It's the relative to F major. It's got one flat in the key signature. Remember, F major was here. It's all the notes except for the B flat. Well, D minor, same thing. It's here. It's all the notes of D to D except for the B flat. That's the natural minor. Remember, we have three different kinds of minors. I have videos on it. Go do that. But just briefly, let's review it. Because the better you can understand this, the easier it is then to understand other things that are coming. It gets a little more involved. Remember, a scale is a set pattern of whole steps and half steps. The major scale, let's go to F because we're in F here, one flat, is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half, whole, whole, half, whole. So it's a half. So start here. So it's a whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. It's a major scale. Minor scale, simply a different pattern. If you don't remember what the pattern is, then go back to A minor. Because it's all the white keys, it's easy to see the pattern. So it's whole, because there's black key. Whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. So whole, half, whole, half, whole, whole. Whole, half, whole, half, whole, whole. Hey, okay? Same pattern here, F. Go up. No, D, we're on D, excuse me, D minor. So whole, half, whole, whole, half, whole, whole. Those are the notes in D minor. Natural minor. That is the minor that is exactly as the key signature says it should be. All white keys except for the B flat. My scale video, I used the harmonic minors because that's what's used in music the most. And I found if you can do the harmonic minor, you can do these other minors quite easily. So let's do the harmonic minor is the same as the natural except the seventh step. Remember, it's one less than 8. You go up a half step. So instead of a C, we're going to use the C sharp. That's why you see a lot of C sharps in pieces that are in D minor. We're here. These notes. D minor, harmonic minor. And then the melodic minor, I don't know if that's short or not. It's where you raise the 6th and 7th steps going up, but you play the natural minor coming down. So here, the 6th and 7th would be here and here. So it'd be, instead of a B flat, we raise it up to a B natural, C sharp. And then natural minor going down. So again. So the 6th and 7th steps change on the melodic minor. I wouldn't worry about it too much. You'll run it across in music, but you'll get the sharps and the naturals when you need them. The music takes care of it. I'm sure they're going to get into the primary chords for D minor. They work the same way as all others, but I'll wait for that lesson to talk about them. So we're going to talk about D minor for a while. Yay, team. Let me know if you have any questions.